let's talk about Queen Aminata's return to AEW. She returned coming off of a injury and then a long absence to battle Willow Nightingale for the TBS championship. Of course, if there was ever a match to return to, a title match on your first night probably wouldn't be one of them. But with that being the case, Queen Aminata fit right back into where she could be in this women's division. She was confident. She played into the match very well. The handshake into the Fishman Nutbreaker for the two at the beginning of the match was very well done. Will Nightingale kicking out of all of Queen Aminata's moves, her confidence beginning to dwindle as the match went along, and this was my personal match of the night. There was nothing too wrong with the match. I mean, you're going to be a little rusty from being out that long with an injury. Certain bumps, Queen Aminata didn't feel like taking, like the shotgun drop kick from the middle rope. Willow hit her and she hesitated before take the bump because she knew she would have to flip, back bump, roll on the back of her neck. Just certain bumps she wasn't comfortable taking at first, but she eventually went for them, and the match overall was good. In the grand scheme of things, she'll be fine with how this division is moving along. Whether or not the women's division is being booked, as well as the men's, especially towards the top of AEW's roster, that's a topic for another day. But if this is the Queen Aminata that we're getting, the jump that she can take from when she was here before injury and after will be such an amazing thing to see. Maybe they run Queen Aminata versus Tekla at some point. Maybe Queen Aminata becomes a prominent figure, knowing that she was close to having the TBS championship in her grasp. But one thing is for sure is that she is back, and hopefully greater things are to come for her.